everyone, and welcome to our day 2 of spoken English course on exclusively my YouTube channel. I hope you are all fine. So, in this video, we will be discussing how to introduce yourself in English. This is an important skill to have, whether you are attending an interview, making a new friends, or introducing yourself to colleagues or clients. By the end of this video, you will learn some tips, tricks and techniques that will help you to introduce yourself confidently, fluently and effectively in English. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before start, please go to my channel and subscribe it. Number 1. Start with a greeting. The first step in introducing yourself is to start with a greeting. Depending on the situation, you can use different greetings such as hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It is important to smile and make eye contact when you greet someone. Number 2. State your name. After the greeting, it is important to state or mention your name. You can say something like, my name is Mahpara or I am Mahpara. You can also use some more informal phrases like I go by Mahpara or people call me Mahpara. So these are the words which we use by introducing yourself in English. Number 3. Give a brief description of yourself. After introducing yourself, it is important and helpful to give a brief description of yourself. This could include your occupation, your area of interest, your likes, your dislikes, your hobbies, your profession, your personal interest. For example, I will give you my own personal example like I am an engineer and I have 6 years of industrial experience in Fuji Foods and I have 3 years of academic experience and currently I am doing a freelancing as a content creator and right now I am doing YouTubing. My area of interest is to watch movies, doing sketching and arts. It will be help to progress or to improve myself. So this is better way to others while knowing you that how you will be able to introduce yourself. Number 4. Ask questions. It is important to show interest the other person as well. Ask questions such as what do you do for a living? Or where are you from? This shows that you are interested in getting to know them better and can lead to a more engaging and productive conversation. Last but not the least, number 5, practice. Everyone knows that practice makes a man perfect. The more you practice introducing yourself in English, the more confident you will become. Try practicing with friends or in front of a mirror. This will help you to identify the areas where you need certain amount of improvement and make you more comfortable with the process. On the last, I can provide you with an example that how to introduce yourself in English, and here is a specimen, so please listen it carefully. Okay, here's a sample of self-introduction. Listen. Hi, my name is Amana. I am originally from the city of Lahore, but I currently live in Islamabad. I work as a software engineer for a tech company and I love playing different type of sports like table tennis and I love to travel in my free time. My favorite destinations is so far northern areas and last year I visited Japan. It's a very mesmerizing country and I love reading books so that it will add some productive and personal development to myself. So nice to meet you all. This is all about for our day 2 of spoken English course. I hope you will find it more productive and more useful, that you will implement it in your daily life. So, introducing yourself in English can seem daunting at first, but with practice and the right mindset, it can become a second nature. Remember to greet the other person with a smile. This is important techniques, you should listen it. Number 2 is state your name clearly. Give a brief description of yourself. Show interest in the other person and practice as much as possible. Thank you for watching and good luck with your English speaking journey. So if you like my video, please give a huge thumb up and go and subscribe my channel. I will catch you in the next upcoming day 3 of Spoken English Challenge. Have a good care of yourself. Keep remembering me in your good prayers, and thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.